What is good? So I'm gonna try to hurry up and put this tea bag in here so the water won't be so cold. But anyway, I'm gonna be talking about the 100% organic green tea, and the brand is Royal King. I've been drinking green tea for a very long time. I love it. I honestly drink it just like as it is. So no added sugar, no honey, none of that. Just to give you some green tea benefits, it reduces, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sorry if I get this all backwards, atherosclerosis and risk of heart disease, lowers blood pressure, reduces cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation, and authorizes cases, improves bone density, improves memory, and prevents cancer. It has other health benefits too, but I just know that it helps a lot with that. Another thing that I've noticed that people say is that it helps with hair. So I was like, really? Let me go and drink some more. But normally I try to drink some like every morning or every night before I go to bed. Like I don't drink it and go right to bed. Like I'll drink some and stay up for a little bit and then I'll go to bed. But this is the first thing that I try to drink in the morning besides lemon water. And I noticed that it helps my body a lot. Like I feel alert, I feel more alive, and it helps with digestion as well. So I love green tea. Like I said, I've been drinking it for some years now. My mom is actually the one who put me on this green tea, and she's the one who recommended this brand, and I got it from her because this was one of the brands that I noticed that she loves. But it says that green tea may reduce your appetite. Have I really had an appetite drinking green tea? No, not really. If anything, it gets me full. Sometimes when I'm out to eat, I will get some green tea. I order some green tea, and it helps with my headache as well. Like I know sometimes when I get like little small migraines, I tend to drink some green tea instead of like taking, like painkiller medicines and stuff like that. I mean, it does reduce the pain that I have in my head, and I'll try to drink some other teas as well, but this is the main tea that I drink. Another thing is that I've noticed that it says that it improves memory. There's some blueberries. I love it. I love green tea because I love the aroma. I love the benefits behind it. I just love that it's a healthier route. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it so you can see what it looks like. So I ordered the 100 bags. There's one with a small box too, but I was like, okay, I just need to go ahead and get this because I drink green tea mostly every freaking day. Every freaking day I mostly drink green tea. But yep. And this is what it looks like. The bag. And I'm just gonna dump this in this hot water. Can I put it in there? Okay. So normally I let it steep for about a good 3 to 5 minutes. Just so make sure I get every good ingredient, good product in that cup. Normally I drink 8 to 10 cups with this green tea, but I just wanted to show you like what it looks like from a clear cup. I noticed that some green teas is a little light. It doesn't have a dark color to it, as you can see what this look like right here. Yeah, that's some green tea right there. I love green tea. I really do. I'll say it again. I love green tea. So yeah, it says for 2 to 4 minutes you steam the bag in it. Normally what you can do is, like, if you have a Craig and you want to like have the steam water in it, normally I'll put the tea bag in it while the water is coming out while it's steaming, or sometimes I boil the water, on the stove, or I'll just boil water in the microwave and then I'll use this. It definitely heats me up. I don't have any complaints about this green tea, actually. I really don't. So if you're looking for some good tea, some good green tea, try this brand out. And definitely do some research on, the health benefits from green tea. Like, those are just some benefits, like I said before. The teas. What target me is that improved memory, weight loss induced hair, and then the other benefits as well, as far as improve like your brain health and your heart as well. So definitely do some research behind the reason why a lot of people tend to drink green tea. And this is part of the secret right here: being active and drinking just good healthy things for your body, and your body will definitely appreciate you for it.